Hello guys, it's the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the latest analysis on all your favorite coins. And today we would be looking at Bitcoin or BTC, still ranked one with a market cap of about $543 billion. And for the day, we are down just about 0.2%, right? And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Bitcoin, and we have been seeing, as you can see, Bitcoin versus the USD dollars. We're on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And we have been saying that don't be deceived, Bitcoin is still bullish, right? And one of the things we were bullish was that we said every single time we see the 50 EMA, as you can see, this purple right here is the 50 EMA, and this blue line right here is the 200 EMA. We said if you see the 50 EMA come above the 200 EMA, best believe that is very bullish, and this was the primary scenario. We were saying that we probably could see some sort of push to the upside to the 28,000, or probably just see some sort of sideways price action, come back to retest the 200 EMA right here at the 27,000. But overall, we are still expecting, right, to see prices at this $30,000 level. So irrespective of what happens, prices are still very bullish. And one of the reasons why we were saying we could see a retest of the 200 EMA was this huge bearish divergence that we were seeing here on our volume profile. As you can see, the bears are already taking over. We said this in our last video. As you can see, currently we should expect one push. Probably this happens by the end of today, and then we see that huge push to the upside. But we said generally we are bullish and we are expecting still the $30,000 level. If we look at our higher time frames, as you can see, such as the weekly, on the weekly, as you can see, by BTC versus the USD dollar, on the weekly we should be expecting to see prices right here at the top of the Dosian channel, which is right there at the $31,700 level. As you can see, we are struggling with the Dosian channel middle line, which acts as a support and both as a resistance. As you can see, we're pushing to the upside. Every time we come back to retest the Dosian channel and we push to the upside. Currently, if we are able to flip, which I believe we are gonna do, we could see a push to the $31,000 level. As if we look at all our indicators, yeah, we are seeing a reduced volume happening right here. But if we look at the MACD is forming huge bullish divergence on the weekly, right? And also if we look at the RSI, the RSI is forming some sort of little bearish divergence, but this is still bullish, as this could also be looked at as a hidden bullish divergence right here, especially for the fact if we draw this like this, we just need to connect as much points as possible. As you can see, 3 points. And this is a huge hidden bullish divergence happening right here. So we could see another huge push to the upside right there for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin basically is still very bullish at the moment. And also, if we look at last but not the least, is the stochastic on the weekly. As you can see, we are steadily pushing to the upside. So Bitcoin looks very bullish at the moment, right? If we look at the daily, you would see that on the daily, we are still having huge bullish signals right there for Bitcoin. So as you can see, we are still consolidating, but this is our main count. We want to see a push to this 28,000, probably some sort of retest of the 200 EMA right there at the 27,000. But overall, we should be expecting the minimum to see prices at the 30,800, right? So that's the analysis for Bitcoin for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.